Hi, and welcome to another Tasks app video. I'm Steve, and today I'll show you around the Tasks details screen, what the options do and how to use them. If you find these videos helpful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Right, let's get into it. I've already created a list, but to see how this is done, check out the Getting Started guide linked in the video description. Now, tap the yellow plus button to see the task detail screen. Tasks will automatically display the keyboard so that we can enter a title. The title is the only mandatory field required. If we try to save the task with no title, we'll see a warning under the title input field. Let's enter a title and save with the yellow tick. We can now see our task in the main list view. Let's click our task to edit and see the details screen again. The title can span multiple lines of text. I'll add some more text and a website address and save. We can see our website address has become a clickable link. Note, we can disable auto linking and change the link text color in task settings. This is great, but if we have lots of text, maybe a snippet from a website, etc., we want to add this to the notes field. Let's tap our task to edit and paste some text into the notes field. Now save so we can see what it looks like. Note, we can limit the amount of text displayed in the list view by changing task settings. Next, on the task detail screen are subtasks. I'll cover these in more detail in an upcoming video, so subscribe so you don't miss that. Subtasks are a way to break a task up into smaller chunks. Tap the plus button, add a subtask title, and save. Then save our task. By default, subtasks are hidden below a progress line. Tap the arrow to see our subtask. Note, there is a setting to default subtasks as always displayed. Each task is saved to a particular sublist. If we tap the list section, we will see our sublists. We can change sublist to move the task. Note how the UI reflects what sublist is chosen. For now, let's change this back. Next, we have tags. These will be covered in more detail in a future video, but for now, tags can be used to emphasize a task, for example, as urgent. Tap the plus button, create a new tag, and save. Now select the tag to assign it to our task. If we save our task, we can see what it looks like in the main list view. Note, the free version is limited to 3 tags, whereas premium users are unlimited. Now, imagine you have an appointment and you want to be notified. Let's create a task with a reminder. First, give it a due date, say tomorrow, and a time of 10 AM. Tasks automatically shows you more options based on our selection and enables a notification. We can also choose an alarm, which is a more in-your-face way to be notified and ignores your device's do not disturb settings, just like an alarm app would. Save the task and we can see the date and time and an icon telling us it will show a notification. There are also options to repeat and have advanced options, but I'll go through these in a separate video. If we would like a task to stand out in our list view, we have a couple of options. We can change the priority, where our choices are high, medium, low, or the default none. This changes the completed checkbox colour accordingly. Or, alternatively, we can enable highlight, or both. Note, the highlight colour is simply a lighter shade of the list colour. Next up, we have completed. This is just like the checkbox on the left side in the list view. Tasks will note the date and time we completed the task. We can tap the date and time to edit them, but for now, we'll simply tap again to uncomplete the task. Finally, we have the created date and time. This is automatically generated for us, but we can edit it by tapping the date or time, like this. At the top of the task details screen there are some shortcut icons. The first is Add to Calendar. This allows us to add this task directly to our phone's default calendar. Just tap and save. If we'd assigned a reminder to this task, the date and time would automatically transfer to our calendar. The next button is Share. This allows us to share the task's title, notes, and any subtasks as plain text with another app. For example, into an email or with a printer. The final button is Delete. Tap it and the task is deleted and we are returned to our main list view. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you want to help support my work, please subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Finally, if you need any help or you just got an idea for a video, send me an email. Details are in the video description, or leave a comment and I'll do my best to reply.